हेलो एवरीवन। नमस्ते एवरीवन। खुश रहो बेटियाओं। आज जेवीएन अमित कुमार शर्मा, सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज। टुडे वी आर going to discussions the poem of Charge of the Light Brigade. This is the final stanza and the final lines in this poem. And प्रीवियस स्टांजा जो था अपन ने उसको मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था. In the final stanza, Tennyson acknowledges that though in some ways futile, the charge was a heroic act, and it is the duty of his contemporaries and of age to come to honor the charge they made, honor the Light Brigade. These men had the courage to carry out orders, knowing that to do so would almost certainly result in death of such heroism are odds and tragedies made. Then इसकी हिस्टोरिकली बैकग्राउंड भी देखने को आपको मिलेगा. इसका हिस्टोरिकली कॉन्टेक्स्ट भी बनाया मैंने, वो भी सुन लीजिए. थ्रू आउट द 17th centuries and 18th centuries, and starting with Peter the Great, Russia reached southward to annex countries in the Middle East, most notably Iran and Turkey. Three wars between the years of 1804 and 1827 alone were fought between Russia and Iran, resulting in the addition of Georgia and Azerbaijan to the Russia Empire. Attempts to take Turkey under the guise of protecting it were halted because the Turks, with British and French help, were able to defend their country. Turkey lies on the south shore of the Black Sea, just over 100 miles north. Across the water is the Crimean War Peninsula, and natural launching point for Russian ships to invade Turkey. If only Russia could maintain control of it from October of 1853 of February to February of 1856. British, French and Turkish troops fought the Crimean War for dominance of the peninsula. France and Britain wanted to keep Russia from progressing to their eastern and Middle Eastern colonies, most notably Egypt and India, and consequently they sent more soldiers to Crimea than Turkey did. Losses were heavy, especially for the British, who were poorly equipped in bond supplies and manpower. On October 25, 1854, the Battle of Balaclava provided the British with an especially humiliating defeat. The infantrymen of the Light Brigade charged against overwhelming odds. This is the complete poem. इसमें आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है कि व्हाट इज़ द सेंट्रल आइडिया ऑफ दिस पोएम, व्हाट इज़ द थीम ऑफ दिस पोएम, हाउ डिड लाइट ब्रिगेड चार्ज रशियन आर्मी, प्लीज़ समराइज द चार्ज ऑफ द लाइट ब्रिगेड बाय अल्फ्रेड लॉर्ड टेनिसन. इस तरीके के क्वेश्चन पुटअप होते हैं. मेनली पोएम में जो क्वेश्चन पुटअप होते हैं वो दो ही होते हैं. एक होता है व्हाट इज़ द सेंट्रल आइडिया एंड व्हाट इज़ द थीम ऑफ दिस पोएम. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको मैं नेक्स्ट पोएम बताऊंगा, और आपकी जो नेक्स्ट पोएम है वो है स्टॉपिंग बाय वुड्स, रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।